Alright, I'm back with the last video of what we went over. Oh, we got physical sun and sky, I'm sorry. This time I'm going to show you how to put an image, like a sky backdrop on this surface shader. So the first thing I need to do, because I've already attached a gradient to it, I have to detach the gradient. So I'm going to go to Window, Rendering Editors, I'm going to choose Hypershade. And this is a surface shader, right-click Graph Network. And all you have to do to detach it is to click on this arrow that links it to the shader and hit delete. Alright, and you can remove these if you like. Alright, so I'm back with the surface shader. Okay, so this time it's all set up other than the fact that I need to attach a picture. So I can go to the attribute editor, look for my surface shader. Under the out color, I'm going to click on this icon, and this time I'm going to place a file. Alright, now it's going to look for the image name. Make sure this image is in your project folder if you intend to use a texture for the backdrop. Mine is on the desktop. I'm just doing a demonstration, so I'm going to click on the yellow folder, go to my desktop, and it's right there. Okay, this is an image I obtained by searching for high resolution HDR sky dome images. I'm going to click open, and now you can see that the picture is mapped onto the sphere. The way I reposition it is I went to the perspective view and kind of take a look at the mapping. You can see that it's kind of strange. So I went to the place 2D texture node, and first thing I did was to rotate the frame by 90 degrees. Alright, so it looks somewhat like this. And then I kind of just play around with the rotate UV settings to kind of get it to just right. And I think I got it right at about 180 degrees, like so. Okay, so now you have a bunch of clouds mapped onto the backdrop. Alright, I like the sun to be in my scene. So I'm gonna, if you have a picture like that, you can always rotate the dome and try to get it to, let's try that. I'm going to go to shot cam, and let's see if we can, I'm not sure if I can see the sun, but we can try. Is it somewhere there? I think it's somewhere over here. I'm not sure if I can see it because I think it's all the way up there. There it is. All right, but that's about it. So the last thing we have to do is make sure that this surface shader is looking nice. So you're going to go back to the attribute editor under the surface shader. You're going to drop down to the hardware texturing option. For texture channel, choose the combine textures. And texture resolution, I'm going to choose the highest. Alright, to give it a better look. And if you really want to see the sun, you can always move this down. So let's try that. I'm going to move it slightly down. There you go. I'm going to rotate it. And since I don't see my handle, I'm just going to go to the channel box and rotate it on the y-axis. So selected y-axis. I'm going to rotate the sphere so it's somewhere. If the sun is casting, it's just maybe somewhere here in the corner, like so. Alright, I'm going to render a view. And there you have it. Okay, a sky dome image. Now you can always change the color of the ground plane if you like to match it better, or readjust your render cam, but that's it. Hope these videos help you. I will come back later on with another one for the